In this video, I will compare Trust Wallet and MetaMask, two of the most popular crypto wallets at this moment, to help you decide which one is best for securely managing your digital assets. So, I've been using both of these platforms for the last year, so I can tell you everything that you need to know to make a good decision between the two of these. To add the most value as possible in this video, I will divide this video into certain sections, and I'm going to start off with a platform overview, and after I'm going to talk about supported assets, the ease of use, best for, and I'm going to give a final verdict. So please stay until the end of the video to consume all the information you need. Anyway, let's dive into the video right now, starting with a platform overview. So let's start off with Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a mobile-first multi-chain wallet owned by Binance, supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies and offering built-in staking and DeFi access. MetaMask, on the other hand, is a browser-based Ethereum wallet with strong DeFi integration, widely used for interacting with decentralized applications. Let's talk about supported assets. Well, MetaMask primarily supports Ethereum and EVM compatible change, but allows manual network additions. And Trust Wallet supports multiple blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and many others. And what about the ease of use? Well, Trust Wallet is designed for mobile users with a simple interface, making it easy to send, receive, and stake crypto, while MetaMask, on the other hand, is more focused on Web3 interactions, and you can see that on the website as well. This is about your Web3 wallet, and it is requiring manual configurations for different networks as well. And I would say that MetaMask is best for DeFi users and those who need a secure browser extension for Ethereum-based only transactions. And what about Trust Wallet? Well, Trust Wallet is best for mobile users who want an all-in-one wallet for multiple blockchains and built-in staking. So not only Ethereum, no, basically everything that you want. So let's make a final verdict on the two of these. I would say choose Trust Wallet if you need a mobile-friendly multi-chain wallet with staking features, and pick MetaMask if you're focused on DeFi and interacting with Ethereum-based apps. So which one do you use or prefer? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.